If you use TikTok, you're probably familiar with restricted mode, an option that filters the content displayed on your account. While restricted mode is useful for parents and guardians who want to control what their children watch on TikTok, it can be frustrating at times when it limits your ability to find desired content. In this video, you'll learn how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok and enjoy all the content TikTok has to offer. Watch this helpful guide and start exploring the most fun and popular content on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Click on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen, then click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select the Settings and Privacy option. You'll be taken to the Settings and Privacy page. On that page, find the Content Preferences option and click on it. Next, click on the Restricted Mode option. Click on Turn Off to disable restricted mode. If you previously set up a passcode when enabling restricted mode, enter the exact passcode you created and then tap Next. That's it! The restricted mode is now turned off. This is exactly how you turn off restricted mode on TikTok. This video taught us how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok and enjoy all the content. Thank you for watching.